Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into EstroControl, the supposed holy grail for anyone battling PMS, bloating, and those delightful hormonal mood swings. Because let's be honest, why just be annoyed when you can be bloated and annoyed at the same time? The formula boasts a heavy-hitting mix of DM, milk thistle, NAC, and even artichoke, all designed to support estrogen metabolism and liver detox. While the individual ingredients have some research behind them, the actual EstroControl blend hasn't bothered with a clinical trial. But hey, who needs peer-reviewed data when you have a fancy label and a dream? Online, the fans are absolutely raving, claiming that within just a few weeks they feel more balanced, clearer-skinned, and significantly less like a character from a horror movie. Reviews are popping up everywhere with users swearing their PMS has vanished and their energy has skyrocketed. It sounds like a miracle, provided you don't mind the natural supplement gamble. Of course, it's not all sunshine and stable hormones for everyone. Some users have reported a less-than-magical experience, ranging from standard headaches and digestive drama to the minor inconvenience of losing hair by the handful. Apparently, trading your cramps for a bald spot is a trade-off some are accidentally making. Beyond the physical risks, there's the joy of swallowing 3 pills a day and the sting of a premium price point that has some users calling it expensive poop. It turns out the money-back guarantee is about as reliable as a weather forecast, leaving some customers frustrated and broke. While EstroControl might actually restore your hormonal rhythm and mood, the inconsistent results and potential side effects make it a high-stakes experiment. It's essentially a pricey maybe in a bottle. So unless you're comfortable paying a premium for a supplement that might just result in very expensive bathroom trips, you might want to think twice.